Today I printed this multi-segment 8-point star fidget toy. Let's get it off the bed, see what she can do. This one is PETG. It's translucent purple and it turned out very, very nice. Just look at all those shadows and all those highlights. Very cool. I printed a flower-shaped one, and this is printed out of dual color green and blue filament. A bunch of great visuals can be created with this thing. It can almost turn itself inside out. I wish you could feel what this feels like. It is awesome. Make sure to like and subscribe and let me know what you want to see me print next.